Assalamu alaikum student. Today we will study typhoid fever. What is typhoid fever? It is an illness characterized by low grade fever from 100 to 101 Fahrenheit caused by a bacteria known as Salmonella typhi. What is the cause of typhoid fever? Salmonella typhi. What are the risk factors of typhoid fever? Typhoid fever has the following risk factor. Number 1, poor sanitation. Number 2, traveling history of the patient to an endemic area. What are the sign and symptom? Low grade fever is the first symptom in such a patient. Loss of appetite. Third one is headache, and number 4th is fatigue. Fatigue means lethargic. The patient feel fatigue in his or her whole body. What is the diagnosis of typhoid fever? A lab test with the name of Vidal test or an antibodies test like IgG and IgM. What is the treatment for this disease? First of all, we will administer antibiotics to the patient, like for example ciprofloxacin, azithromycin or ceftriaxone. Secondly, we will give analgesic like for example paracetamol to the patient in order to cure the fever and headache and fatigue. Analgesic has antipyretic activity to reduce the fever, anti-inflammatory and analgesic activity to control the headache. It's all about the typhoid fever. Thank you.